Welcome to this Primavera tutorial, and today I'll show you how you make your text pop with highlights, giving your videos a professional touch. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, stay tuned for essential techniques to make your text shine. But first subscribe and hit the bell notification so that you'll not miss our latest tutorials. So firstly, import the image which you want to apply the text highlight effect on it. I already import the image. You can see the pen tool is there. Just hold on it for a second and you can see the rectangle tool is there. Just select that and select the text which you want to highlight. So right now we are choosing from graphic designing to media. So firstly we highlight the first line from graphic designing to create, then we'll highlight the second line. So we'll zoom it a little bit, 75, okay, like this. It's done, and at starting you might see a fill in this section, and not able to see any fill because I've turned it off from here. The fill is off, and if you by mistake make a wrong selection, just change the position or scale from it. You can see the position from it, but for now it's good to go. Yeah, now just turn on the fill and click on this bar, and you can choose any color which you want, but for now we're choosing the yellow color, and the hash code for yellow color is FFFF00. You must note it if you want hash code. You can also search on the web if you want the hash code of any color which you want. So hash code for yellow is FFFF00, and we'll click OK. And now we'll just need to change the blending mode of it, and just scroll down. You can see the effects opacity is there, and from you can see the blending mode is there, and select from normal to multiply. It's done. And if you don't find the multiply option, means a multiply filter, scroll it up, you can see multiply is there, just click on it. So it's done, and just we need to add an animation on it from starting to end. So for that, just go to the effects control, and if you don't find the effects panel, just click on the windows. From here you can find effects panel. So go to effects panel and search for crop effect. Just type crop. You can see in transform you will find the crop effect. Just drag and drop on your video. It's done. They have one more option. You can first press Control Z. You can also do one thing, just drag it up and make a duplicate of it, and just select it and just change the position of it like this, and then you can apply the crop effect on both of the layers. It's your choice what you want to do it, but we'll go with the first option. Just crop. Okay, we'll press Ctrl Z once again. Just drag and drop the crop effect and just scroll it down. Perfect. Now just bring your time indicator. This is time indicator, it is starting, and just click on the right animation. Just turn it on. You can see the stopwatch icon is there. Just click on this, the animation will start it, and just increase the right animation to 100%. No animation will do. Okay, now just go to around 3 seconds like this, and if you want to increase the time, you can increase it afterwards also. Now we'll decrease the right animation to 0. You can see it's done. The text highlight effect is being applied. It's so simple. Without plugin we are doing this. Okay, we have to make till the media, digital media. Okay, so we'll make a copy of it. Just press Alt and drag it above to make a duplicate of it, and just go to position of it in the shape layer. Either transform, the position is there. Just change the position of it like this, and now we just need to change the time frame of the crop effect that we applied. Okay, just select this layer and scroll it up. You can see, and now we just need to delete this animation, means this keyframe. Just select this keyframe and press delete on your keyboard to delete this. It's deleted. Now we need from media, so now we'll start animating it. We'll bring a time meter here and we'll start decreasing the right points or right number till digital media will do this. It's done. So I'll pray like this. Okay, it's done, but not done. Okay, so just I'll bring a time indicator here and dragging the upper layer and decreasing the animation of it. And now we'll play. Yeah, it's done. You've also seen this type of text highlight animation on most of the YouTube channels also. Now you can make your own. In any videos, text highlighting is a game changer for captivating videos. So master it with practice and subscribe for more tips.